What is up, guys? Got Swag Gamer here. Today we are going to be doing but a how-to or tutorial on how to unblock your Chromebook. Like legitly, not unblock the whole thing, but like unblock any website. So the first thing I would do is I would go ahead and go to Chrome Web Store. Well, you know obviously how to get there. Okay. Now you don't want to download this on your home account because it anyways won't work. So what you want to do is go to search the store. If it loads, yeah. Right now you want to type in Pocket. Now you want to get this one. Yeah, you want to get that app right there. And you want to get this one, I suppose. I'm not really that sure. Let me see. Alright, nah, this is not it. Yeah. So it's Save to Pocket, and you want to get Pocket right here. So it's going to be app. Now, for me it says launch app because I already added the app. So this is how it looks like from the inside when you enter the apps. Now, as you know, if I just search up Deep IO, it is blocked. Right now, if I press this Save to Pocket button, hopefully it does something. No, not yet. So I'm gonna see you when. Now, if this is unfortunately blocked for me, it only works at school. So this extension right here. So I'm going to do it manually. So what you want to do is copy the URL, which is deep.io, or I could write it. You want to go ahead and search the Pocket app in apps part. Whatever. You click Pocket. This is what's going to pop up. Now you want to sign in with Google. Don't sign in with your email with Google. So this is everything I have. So if I search up, I'm going to show you how to add stuff. So if I can quickly delete DeepIO. Yes, okay. So you want to click this plus arrow. And you'll click this. You want to put in your IP address, aka URL, and the first thing you know, it's gonna pop up here. Now, if you want to put all your games in, let me say, favorites or archive or whatever, you could do that by clicking this or clicking this. So it moves it completely. So if your school people try to see what's in there, yeah, my school doesn't see it, so yeah, I'm completely good with it. So now it does work. If it can load, then yeah. Okay, it's connecting. As you all know, connecting usual. And let me just put my name in, got swag. Yep, it works. Probably a little laggy because you know how people like beast at this, but anyways, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you the second method on how to do it. So second method is you want to get Chrome, right? Then you want to click on Chrome, the colon, // and click, then type in inspect / the pound or hashtag, and then you want to type in other. Now I have it bookmarked because I don't want to type this trashy stuff on. Now just click and enter. This is what should pop up. Now it might take you to devices page. So as you see, the URL is gonna change. Just look at the URL right here. As I click through the pages, it changes, right? Yeah. Now you're gonna click other. That's where you want to be. And now you see this something called Chrome /ob log. Now you want to copy it and search it up in the next tab. Now if it should load. Okay, anyways, okay, that's not gonna work because that's the better way to do it. So you see this Chrome thing. Yeah, if you don't see it on yours, basically wait a minute or two and once you see it, you want to click inspect right there. And it's going to take you to this pop-up. We'll put that right in the middle or somewhere close. Now it's going to take you to this page if you haven't done this. Inspect, yeah, you know how it's blocked. Now you want to go console. Wait, let me do some window close. Okay, now you want to hit window close on console. That's going to bring this up or something close like this. Now you want to go all the way to applications over here. Now you want to look at top frames, chatty storage, make sure nothing is popped up. Yeah, clear storage, only this should be on. Okay, service workers, nothing should be here except for this, and manifest. No manifest detected. A web message allows you to control your app behaves when launched and displayed to users. Read more about the web manifest. Now this is going to take you to this link. If you copy link address and paste it here, you suck, basically, because it's not going to do anything. What you're supposed to do is go click on this link. Don't copy the link and paste it there. That's going to do nothing. I'll only take you to the website. You want to click this. Okay, so now you see it takes you to this page by Matt Guant, by Paul Kinlan, or whatever. You want to click new tab and you're completely incognito, so anything works. So I can do deep.io. I'm incognito, completely incognito. Now you could, this doesn't work in school because it doesn't. So anyways, if you don't want to get suspicious at home or anything, you would just want to click Control N, which is going to take you to this tab, which looks normal. So anyways, see you guys. And this works as well. Anything's unblocked on this. It's the same thing as this, except it's incognito but regular based. So anyway, see you guys. Subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and join my Discord server.